Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. First things first, we're going to announce the winner for the shirt giveaway. And we're going to do that right now.
Entrance for the competition for the t-shirt into this random picker. And now I'm going to click the pick a random item. And the winner is Armando Almonte. Congratulations, Armando. I will wait for you to respond in the comments down below in this video, and we will take it from there as far as getting your information offline. Congratulations, and thanks to everyone else for taking part in the competition.
Now that we have announced the winner, congratulations, you have 1 week. Please respond by Friday for the t-shirt with a comment down in the comment section, and I will respond with further instructions. Today's video, I'm going to be covering temperature sensors in your HVAC system, how to get at them, where they're located, how to remove them, how to troubleshoot and find out what's going on with those sensors. They can cause cold air, hot air to blow out of these vents when you want something else. So let's get started. If you ever see your temperature control flashing like that, that means that one of the sensors for your air conditioning vents have gone, and it's not going to trigger the check engine light or anything like that, but basically it means that that vent is unregulated. It may be putting out hot air, may be putting out cold air. You are no longer able to control that vent to any kind of certainty. It's no longer able to regulate that temperature. So let me show you how to go about troubleshooting that. I have the iCar soft scanner all set up, and I'm going to put it into diagnostic mode. I'm going to say diagnose, bends of course, and I'm going to say 164. That's what I got, but whatever you have, put that in. Gasoline, left hand. I got the base model here, ML350, and I'm going to say manual select. I don't want it to run through all 40 something of them. And I'm going to go up and go all the way to automatic air control conditioning, and I'm going to go immediately to read fault memory, and it's immediately saying that the Comfort AAC push button control module is defective, right? So ladies and gentlemen, what I did to get this car to do this, I took the sensor out that I just showed you, and I want to show what happens when a sensor is bad, missing, damaged, disconnected. So you're seeing the AAC push button control module is defective, right? Let's go and look and see why. It's saying that there's an open circuit in the evaporator temperature sensor. It's open circuit. And because of that, you're going to get left center outlet temperature sensor open circuit, right center outlet temperature sensor open. You're going to have a whole bunch of open sensors. Left footwell temperature sensor open circuit, right footwell. So they're all going to come back with this because there's a short in the system. Left side outlet temperature sensor, because they're all connected in series. If you want to have a warm cabin, all temperatures need to be regulated and the same. Right side outlet temperature, center rear interior temperature sensor, they're all going to come back saying that there's a fault. Okay, That's because there's an open circuit. Now, if it wasn't an open circuit, it would show you exactly which sensor was bad with the iCar Soft. So now that we've figured out that the sensor is bad, missing, deleted, taken out, cut, short-circuited, the next thing to do is to put it back after replacing it with a new sensor. Pulling this out, I already pulled out all of the prongs. I'm just gonna alright. And the sensor. See how I can turn it around? See that? It's a little electrical connection. You take the electrical connection, has two little pins right there. You're going to squeeze those together. So that's how you remove it from the bezel. And then once it's removed from the bezel, then it's just a matter of unplugging it. So this is the sensor. Do not touch the circuitry. Keep your oily fingers off of it. And I'm going to put it back into the vent. One way to plug it in. Plug it in like that right there. And then we'll pop it into the hole, back into the vent. And when we put it in, we want to turn it sideways like that. Okay, just like how it was before. It's almost in place, and I'm going to just squeeze it into the connection till it clicks. Like that. Then I'm going to put it into the hole. Alright, to get it in, you got to kind of turn it facing where the harness connection faces you, and then you can slide it through. The slot is pretty much turned that way. And there. Slide it all the way up, and then once it's in, then you're going to turn it clockwise into position. And while it's there, I'm going to start up the car. Flashing has gone away. It's no longer flashing. We're able to control the module that way, like that. Turn the ignition back off. I'm going to insert the vent back into the connection port. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.